everyone, this is Himanshi Kalra, Assistant Professor of Law from DGIM Law College. In India, to be a practicing advocate, you need to follow 3 simple steps. First, get a law degree. Second, get enrolled in your State Bar Council. And third, clear the AIBE exam. Today, I am going to talk to you about the second step, that is the procedure of getting enrolled in the State Bar Council and the documents required for the same. As our college is situated in Faridabad, Haryana, I will be referring to the procedure of Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana. I have divided the procedure in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Get the enrollment form from the office of the Bar Council or the website by paying a fee of ₹500. Second step. Fill the form with due care and attach all the required documents. Third step. Submit the application form in the office of the Bar Council and wait for their verification. After the verification, you will be provided with an ID card with your enrollment number. This ID card will be valid for 2 years. In those 2 years, you will have to clear the AIBE exam, which stands for All India Bar Examination. After clearing the examination, you will get a permanent enrollment ID card and a certificate of practice. Following documents are required to be attached with the enrollment form. First, original law degree or original provisional certificate. Second, original attendance certificate of minimum 70% attendance in each year. Third, self-attested photocopies of all mark sheets of LLB with self-attested photocopy of graduation degree. Fifth, self-attested photocopy of matriculation certificate with date of birth. Sixth, self-attested photocopy of 10+2 certificate. Seventh, self-attested photocopy of address proof and caste certificate. And last, 5 to 7 photos in white shirt, black blazer and black tie. Thank you.